Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibenta ban penslori ki Khynnah bakin ye shimbenta ha ki kam Ïalehkai badru bakin nyo ya ka met ka basat baklan ringkat ka bor perkhat perdan ka Kendriya Vidyalaya EAC Upper Shillong ha ringkat ka jinge trailang mat ka Sports Authority of India kala penlong ya ka Fit India School Week arajar arpu ar hadu arpulai ha kala sngi ublei ha phalau jong kani ka school ka badan ha Air Force Upper Shillong ha kani ka sngi laya don lang u klori Ïalehkai football barim ka jilla uba Eugeneson lingdo baru balong ru kat ka technical committee jong ka All India Football Federation kumukong san haringkat ka jingya don lang ugunin Chiang Mai in charge SAI Training Center Shillong u principal jong ka school u MV Chetri bat kiwei haba ai jing kana ka tega singi wa Eugene ula Kyntu ki Khynnah beki ban Kiar ni ki Jingbam Khutia Mutia bat beki ban Pynmlien ha ki kam Ïalehkai la ka long ka football basketball martial arts ni ha ki nugi nugi jing Ïalehkai Khynnah beki nyo ka met ka phat ka bakot bakya bat ru ha ka perkhat perdan Hagani ka singi la penlong ru ya ka jing Ïalehkai basketball la phalau jong ka te ka school ha ka ba ka team A kala job ya ka team B Dangshan la penlong ya kani ka ju ka program ha Assam Rifle School ka bahalat kor kum ju ha ka school Kendriya Vidyalaya ka badan ha school ba ni hu but 58 GTC Shillong
We all understand being fit is important, but I think we all take it very, very lightly. When we look at the current scenario of our country, India has the highest amount of deaths, second to China, when it comes to poor health and poor diet. The importance of why the government has involved Fit India movement at school level is, I think, for each and every one of you to understand why it's important to play. To get fit, you have to play. You play basketball, you play football, you run around, tennis, badminton, or whatever sport that you play. The benefit is you live a very healthy life. And as students, it's important to be fit. Because when you're fit, your mind works very well. And importantly, when you study, you need to be mentally sharp. And to be mentally sharp, you need to be fit. You need to have energy. And in order to get all that, being fit is very important. So, I stand here, I think I myself was a student like you. I remember one time in my school, Kapil Dev. So, I don't know if you know him, but he's a very, very famous cricketer who has played for India, was a captain of India, and I'm not mistaken, he was a World Cup captain, yes. So, I was a student like you, listening to what he had to say about sports, what he had to say about how important to lead a very healthy lifestyle. Because in order to succeed in life, you need to be fit, irrespective of what profession you do. Because the alarming state of people at this age, especially your age, I think you eat whatever you get, right? You eat chips, you eat sweets, isn't it? Huh? Do you know that eating a lot of chips, eating a lot of sweets is harmful for you? Very, very good. Then I hope that this program, this Fit India Week, will be a very beneficial to each and every one of you. Because of Fit India movement that you will all become sportsperson. No, I want to say that being fit will keep you physically healthy and mentally healthy, which is very important in life. And more importantly, through sports, you will learn a lot about life and how this chapter in your life that sports will give you, at various sports that you play, will help you become a better person in life. You will understand what being a team player is, understanding each other's problems, and trying to come with a solution. So I will not speak much because I know the process is still very lengthy for you all to understand. But I encourage you to keep playing. Study is important, play is important. Both go hand in hand to become successful in life. And I would like to also request you, please go home. When you go home, please ask your parents, spend at least 30 minutes in a day to work out, to run, to play, to whatever they do, to work out, so that you're also encouraging your parents to be healthy. I would like to end my speech here, and once again, I would like to thank each and every student present here for having me here today. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela